Today, you're going to learn how to claim the child tax credit and the earned income tax credit using simple step-by-step prompts you can copy and paste. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, parents, freelancers, and anyone filing a US tax return who wants to understand these credits quickly and accurately using ChatGPT and AI. Before you start, make sure you know your filing status, number of dependents, and your income from both work and benefits. If you don't have all the details yet, don't worry. These prompts will help you organize everything. Start by using this prompt to check your eligibility. Tell me if I qualify for the child tax credit and the earned income tax credit. Here is my income, filing status, and number of dependents. Insert details. Give me a simple eligibility explanation. ChatGPT will break down whether you meet the income limits, age rules, residency rules, and dependent requirements. If you're unsure about anything, use this follow-up. Explain why I do or do not qualify for each credit in simple terms. Next, use this prompt to estimate how much you may receive. Estimate my child tax credit and earned income tax credit amounts based on this information. Insert details. Show the calculation clearly. You'll get a simple breakdown showing your estimated credit, phase outs, and what changes if your income goes up or down. If something doesn't look right, ask, double check the numbers, and show me how the IRS calculates these credits. Finally, use this prompt when you're ready to file. Tell me which IRS forms or schedules I need to claim the CTC and EITC based on my situation. A helpful habit is running these prompts yearly before tax season, so you're never surprised by your refund. This keeps your numbers organized and ensures you claim every credit you qualify for. Comment below the next tax topic you want me to break down.